Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going back to the Galant build because many of you are wanting to see it now, what's going on, what's new. Actually, today we're going to align the pulleys because as you will see in this video, we discovered something. Also, we're gonna remove the chin in prep for we have to do some welding on the Galant, but that's for another video. Also, we're going to do some modification on the engine bay, so stay tuned on that. And I like to take this opportunity, guys, for those who are watching this video, for thanking you for liking and subscribing to my video. For those who are new, please like and subscribe. Please help this channel to flourish so that we have more videos on uh, cars and anything you like. Also, there are more coming projects on this video, on this channel, and I'm sitting on one. So this will be a secret one. So see you soon on this project. So for now, we go back to the Galant. Okay, let's watch. So guys, before we continue, uh, we have a plan for this Galant. I think we have to remove the bumpers and the chin because we found some damage here. The wall for the radiator has been broken due to rust, so we have to remove the bumper, the front bumper and the chin. We're gonna remove it anyway because we're gonna repaint it, and temporarily we're gonna put the belts so that it won't be hard to drive for the power steering, alternator, etc. Okay, let's go. While checking, I found that the alternator is disaligned with this, so we have to align this first. That's why my belt keeps getting loose or easily cut. Also, I have no power steering fluid. I have to buy. Okay, so let's do that. So we have put back and installed the power steering, the alternator, and the belt, except for the AC. I haven't put that yet uh, because we're gonna clean the pulleys. And let's see if the belts wiggle, and let's put some fluids on the tank of the power steering. And let's see. Wow. Hindi muna natin i-full kasi panda rin pa natin. We'll also see if uh, the battery light will still be on or not. Perfect. Ayos. And as you can see, I've removed the chin, exposing the old bumper and the stock chin. I'm prepping up for welding the bracket of the radiator, which I told you was broken. So I have to remove the chin because they have to weld it underneath. Also remove the hood pins so we can renew it. It's already rusted. Well, so that's it for now. Stay tuned for more and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Keep safe, everyone.